Hello everyone, welcome to another segment of Ask Dr. Doug. Today we're going to cover our chiropractic adjustments covered by insurance. Before we get into that, a little bit about me. I am a structural corrective care chiropractor based in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. And what we do is we focus on restructuring and reshaping the spine to get it back to normal, kind of like what an orthodontist does with the teeth. That's what we do with the spine, taking before and after x-rays to show the changes that we're making to the spine. So, are chiropractic adjustments covered by insurance? This is kind of a difficult question to answer, and the reason for that is all insurance plans are different. Even if someone works or two different people work for the same company, there are different levels of plans that are covered at different rates. So one of the things that we offer here at our office is we'll actually verify your benefits prior to coming in for your first new patient appointment. And what we'll do is we'll get a copy of your insurance card and a little bit of information about you, and that'll allow us to call the insurance company so that we can call them with the codes that we're going to use and possibly diagnosis if we know a little bit about what's going on with you, so that we can see and hopefully get down to pretty precisely exactly what they would cover for your first new patient appointment and then possibly any follow-up care that might be needed. But one of the things that we really need to understand, and one of the things that we're seeing a lot with the insurance industry, is a huge shift toward higher deductibles. And that's because insurance has changed a lot. Insurance originally was developed for major accidents. So it was originally developed for major accidents in the workplace, and when these things happened, it kept people from going bankrupt. And then in the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s, we started to see where insurance were pretty well covering everything with a small deductible and little to no out-of-pocket expenses. But we've seen a drastic change as of recently to where now more and more insurance are actually have pretty high deductibles. But we have to understand that health insurance isn't really there to keep us healthy. Just like your car insurance isn't there to keep your car on the road and in good working order, it's there for in case an accident happens. Or your homeowner's insurance isn't there for general maintenance on your home, it's there in case an accident happens. And that's what we're seeing more and more in the health insurance industry is it's there in case something happens, any catastrophic events, or if there are any major injuries or accidents take place. And we're finding that our day-to-day health costs are actually being more out of pocket because we're seeing, and it's very common to see, $2,000 and $3,000 deductibles, and because of that, any small minor occurrences or small trips to the doctor's office are actually becoming out-of-pocket expenses, and then that's being applied toward your deductible in case there are any major injuries or accidents. So I hope that answers your question. If you do have any health insurance questions for us, or if you're looking at coming in for a new patient appointment, we do offer that service, as I mentioned, where we can verify exactly what's going on for us. Like and share this. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you very much and have a great day.